Let's learn how to claim live reward on TikTok. Hello, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to claim live reward on TikTok. The steps are easy and simple. The first thing you have to do is to log into your TikTok. The next thing is to click on your profile icon found at the bottom of your screen. Clicking on this section, you're going to see the three lines found at the top right corner of your screen. All you have to do is to click on it. You're going to see an option that says balance. Click on it. So on this new screen, you're going to see an option that says live reward. All you have to do is to click on the view option. We are going to see different transactions on this new screen, and your total reward, also its equivalent in your currency, like the one I have on the screen here, naira. The equivalent of 0.03 USD is 354 naira. Alright guys, you can only withdraw this reward if it is up to $100. If you haven't linked your bank account to your TikTok, I will drop a video link that will guide you on how to link your bank account to your TikTok. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.